I saw
Well, he's
him,
got to get you in the frame. I hope
I saw
he
his video
gets from
of
wall to wall. I hope he's...
those
Okay, it's turning.
We ready?
Yeah.
We're on? Are we on right now?
Yes.
Okay, folks, you're here at Carmine's Country Corner. There'll be no vamp this week. Usually we vamp and then bang, it comes on and you see us, but I guess we're already running. Jerry, how you been?
Very, very well.
It's good to see you, sir.
Nice to be here in Locker
And we
Station.
got Bob Goff sitting in for Paul Marshall. This is your second or third week or something.
Third week in a row.
Man,
It's a record.
you know, I love the way you play bass, too. By the
Thank you.
way. And- but
It's a new low for you.
That's what Lee Hart.
But you ought to hear this guy. Well, I know most of you people out there watching us know that this guy's a great guitar player. But I really like you on guitar when you're up here with us. But you do a great job on
I
bass.
love playing bass.
Well, you do.
No soloing.
Yeah. All right, Swan, you're the big guy tonight. Gonna open it up.
You let the feedback.
Okay, look. Put it back down again.
All right, here we go. I just lowered the PA a little bit. Go ahead.
What's he?
3, 4, 1.
Good job, Gary. Hey, tonight I had two great things happen today. First thing was Jerry called and said, "Come on in. Hey, haven't been up here in a while. Can I come up and play? And I said, you can always come up and play. So I'm very happy to see you. How's your lovely wife, Mary?
She's very well.
Is she good? Everything's on the grandkids. I'm always seeing pictures
She
of
might
you
be watching at
with
home.
the family.
Well, she jumped into that whole coastal grandma thing.
Oh, she did?
Head first, yeah.
Well, she's good at it too.
Very
She's a
excellent.
lovely lady. So Ed, Evelyn, is that how you know his name? I never knew in 40 years that I've known you. We got Ed on drums, Ed Evelyn, and I didn't know that till like an hour before the show that he was coming up, and I'm really happy to see you. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Okay, and then of course Gary Swan.
He's in. Palmer's out.
Good to see you, sir. You still with the association? So far, still hanging. They haven't found you out yet. Okay. So Paul is going to be back next week. Tonight, after the show, we're all heading down to the Tuning Fork to see Paul Marshall. He's playing with the Icy Hawks in L.A. And they're a good band. Bob, you're going.
Yeah,
I'm going down. I think Susie might be going. And look it up and meet us down there. So we're going to have a little party later on. About 7:30 I'll be there. So come on down. Jerry, you want to sing one?
Yeah, we're gonna do, because it's Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras month. We're gonna do a little Mardi
I
Gras
didn't even
style.
know that.
They got this thing called the internet now. All kinds of information.
Really?
Yeah.
How's that work?
Talk to your tech.
Okay.
Daniel Hugart. He'll figure it out.
That's TV, right? TV. Just stamp on the E.
Then you're going to surprise us.
2, 3.
We gotta go, we rode down
my good friend Bob Pelly, who, for the first time last week, got up and did a really cool song last week. What's it, by Tom Conley, is it, Jr.? What's that guy's name?
Earl Thomas Conley.
Earl Thomas. I'm thinking of the other guy. Anyway, and you're going to get up and do another one this week. What are you doing this week?
I think Merle Haggard's song.
A Merle Haggard song. All right, well, see, we're breaking the guy in.
See if he's staring at me.
Where is it?
Y'all been doing a good job.
Merle.
Merle's looking
And of
down.
course, Hank's not too bad either.
Best it's ever been.
All these guys are pretty cool. Would you say?
Merle's the best it's ever been.
Oh, Merle was great. Absolutely.
He's the poet of the common man, they used to say, right?
Bob, you want to sing one?
I would love to.
Would you like to do it now?
Yes.
Oh, you're going to have to wait because Gary's going to do one.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Go and do it. I'm just being a jerk.
We'll do Folsom Prison, and I'll have my altar up there.
I love that song.
Good.
Before you do it.
And the last verse, we're going to go to F.
You got it.
Just for
I'll listen.
Dynamic,
I'll be a,
just because we
one
can.
measure off, but I'll be
I
there.
want to set the
You doing okay there, back there? All right.
1, 2, 3. Since I was a young boy, I played the silver ball. And so down to Brighton, I must have played them all. But I ain't seen nothing like him in any music hall. That death I was blind, so president ball.
That was a Who song.
Yes, it was. To a Johnny Cash
Oh, the Who.
pinball wizard, you know.
What do you got there, Jerry?
Uh,
What are you feeling like?
oh, how about 6 days on the road?
Let's do it.
Get out a little bit.
Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, heading where that used to be low. I was in there's a street to my head on the right, where I don't see a pop in sight. 6 days on the road, and I'm going home tonight. I can take road views in a Georgia overdrive. I'm taking little white girls and miles away from life. Just next to Geneva White, I'm passing in the fading sight. 6 days on the road, and I'm going home tonight. Mr. Reagan. Since I kissed my baby bye-bye, I can have a lot of honeys and I'm not like some other guy. But if I'm wrong, hold me tight. But still, I won't make it all right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Mama's son. Since I kissed my baby bye-bye, I can have a lot of hoes, but I'm not like some other guy. But if I'm wrong all the time, it still won't make it all right. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight. That's right. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road, I'm gonna make it home tonight.
Come on, Bob. You get to follow that.
I've been down to play the key and never played with it.
Okay, well.
How long we went to the
Plug
third
that in,
though?
switch it on.
Oh, yeah.
So Bob Pelly's you're gonna do Ramblin' Fever. That's a great song. I think Roy does that all the time too, don't you? That's one of his songs that he likes to do. Does he come this way more? Okay.
The 64, yeah.
I'm gonna give Bob my mic and but we're gonna get this done. And have some fun while we're doing it.
For the gear geeks at home, we just want to point out Bob's playing a 1964 Martin D35.
Well, thereabouts, right?
With Brazilian Rosewood fingerboard, you can't get anymore.
It's almost paid for.
Yeah.
All right, take it easy on me, boys.
Yeah.
Too late for that now. said, do that song you did last week.
Really?
Yeah, really. You want to do it?
Just know we were playing.
Okay. We're gonna do one more. He was just gonna do one, but I want you to do the song you did last week. That was
All
a
right.
great song.
Okay.
Well, just follow him. You'll know what.
Little Disc Coupe.
He's gonna.
We went over it before.
Yeah, yeah.
The third artist. No, it's one of G. It's a G. Yeah.
Is it G? All right.
Yeah.
It's D.
The third hardest thing I'll ever do is leaving here without you. The second hardest thing I'll ever do is holding her, loving you.
What?
Sounded good. You want to do one?
Sure.
What do you got?
Big city
Let's do it.
and E.
TV. Yeah, I just want you guys to know you're doing all the stuff that Roy does when he comes up. Boy, they're doing all your songs.
Yeah, but they're doing it right.
You do them pretty damn good, I gotta tell you.
And then the song
Bob,
goes
Kelly,
with-
thank you.
with the long-
Hope you had fun, that was great. So we just, every Sunday we meet at 6.
Big city.
And
Big
this
city.
is called Carmine's Country Corner, and we just play country music. And I kind of lean towards the older stuff. Sometimes, you know, they'll throw a new one at us, and it's darn good stuff. A lot of the country stuff
That
today
means-
is okay.
That means I can do achy breaky heart, right?
Well, that's one of the. No, that's too
Now
new.
we're live there.
Yeah,
No.
that's a little too new. I
That's
wasn't
30
talking
years
about
old
that.
now.
I know that. You know, my nephew, Ronnie Gilbo's son, Ronnie had a band called Palomino Rose, and they traveled with Billy Ray Cyrus for a couple of years, and they were the opening act for him when he was at his peak. I mean, they played some really cool places. We went a couple of times to watch them play, and boy, back then old Billy was packing them in. You know, all that line dance and stuff they were doing.
And we
A lot
can-
of fun stuff.
We can thank him for the mullet hairdo too.
Yes, we
used to
can.
have.
Yes.
I used to have kind of a mullet at one time.
Oh, yeah.
Well, no chance of me doing that today. You might have a chance, Jerry. You're hanging in.
I had a chance to have. I still have my old one on a styrofoam bag at home in the bathroom.
Show up next
Yeah,
time.
yeah, I'm done with that. All right.
So here we go. Big city.
What key?
E.
He's a great key.
1, a 2, a 1.
I'm tired of this dirty old city. I'm tired of too much work and never enough play.
back to DMS song. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. I guess I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. Oh, I guess I will every day. And I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. I got my song out of the way.
Just like we rehearsed.
Where we did it. If you were hustling around here, you're fired. Everything in the band is alive. I like the mistakes, the little magical things. that
Oh, we'll
happen.
make, sometimes magical things happen, yes.
But the whole thing I know, I played it safe with that. I know, I agree. All right, go
Welcome
ahead.
to Farmhands Country
What do we
Club.
got, Swan?
It's a secret.
I hate secrets.
All right,
You
what
want
do you read?
fast or so half-fast?
Hey, if you're watching this on Facebook, which, yeah, I know you are, push like and share, and we download it to upload it or something to YouTube. Well, I don't know anything about computer. What do? You upload it to YouTube? Or
Yeah, you get a forklift.
yeah, but what do they call it? He doesn't want to tell me. So listen, whatever you do, it'll be on YouTube by later tonight or in the morning, because we always put it over on YouTube. And if you see it there, make sure you push subscribe.
Where do they go?
Keep the computer on the table.
So I just move on.
One, two, one.
Hey!
Country music singers, wearing clothes and couple of the people in the living room shouldn't have been singing. That's flying right up.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let Jerry close it out because I want to get down to the Turning Park and see Paul Marshall. And what is it? 6:50 right now, 6:49. So this is our good night song. We love you. Thanks for watching this show. Next week I'll give you a full hour, I promise. But this week we're going to cut it a little short because I want to go see Paul. What do you got, Dan? You going to say something? No? Okay, well.
Start on the,
Okay.
on the 5.
Good. Yeah, don't say anything. It's better.
TV. Thank you.
Playing
See you next